Today, another travelers and students instant food. This is with sabudana, tapioca pearls or sabaki in Kannada. This is again a very simple and easy recipe. Let's begin with. Welcome to SPL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagraj showing you instant food. I'm going to dry roast the sabudana in batches. I don't want the whole thing to be at one stretch. I want this to puff well. I want this to be in batches so that every grain gets the equal temperature and it can puff well. If I do it the whole thing at a time, few may be left out without puffing. So, for this recipe, I want everything puff very well. Keep stirring so that the even temperature is there for all the grains. Now, you can hear the crackling sound and the change in color too. Now you can see them like pearls. I'll transfer this to the bowl. And have my next batch. This is the third batch now. These I have taken it into 3 batches. And I want this to be completely cool. With 2 tablespoons of oil. Going to add in the mustard seeds. When this crackles, I'm going to add in urad dal and chana dal. Now this is golden in color. I'm going to add in chopped the green chilies and the curry leaves. I will fry this till the moisture is evaporated from the chilies and the curry leaves. Time to add turmeric. I'll switch off the flame, then add salt and citric acid. I want the seasoning to be completely cool to mix it with the sabudana. Both of them has to be in room temperature before mixing. Now this is cool enough. I'm going to mix. This is right enough. This is the stage. You can pack it also. And for this, you need 1.5 cups of water to soak. For this thing, I need, for one measure, it's 1.5 measures of water. This needs half an hour of soaking. In between, with a spoon or with a fork, if you keep stirring like this, then it won't become into a cake and it will be in the form of grains. When it is ready, it will be like this, yummy to eat.